Rain, talk to us, Rain. Rain, tell me all about you, Rain. Rain. Rain, you love petting, don't you? Rain. Oh, Rain, your little nose is all clogged up again. It's always got snot coming out of it. But we're going to try and get this all fixed very soon, Rain. Rain, you're pretty happy now, huh? Because you're out of the cage, aren't you? And now you're just hanging out in the house with all these other animals, a bunch of other kitties and a dog. And do you just love it, Rain? You do, don't you, Rain? Rain. Are you trying to make sure every single part of you gets pet? Is that what you're doing? Trying to make sure every little part of you gets pet? I think it is. Well, we love you, Rain. We really want to get you fixed. We still need donations. We still need donations. Rain is going for another consult this Monday, a week from today. I hope this will be a lower price. We'll see what we can do, Rain. Okay, sweetie, you're just an adorable little boy. Okay, Rain, I'm going to take more pictures of you later.